AVAPOW. This is a jump starter that jump starts 6,000 amp. Very powerful. You see you have a light right here, so it's perfect for looking at your batteries. You can see as you're setting this up. You also have two USB-A output and a DC output too. You have a little connector right here that shows you a blue light. That means you're ready to connect it up. Once you're ready to connect it up and you connect it up, it will show a green light and you jump start your car. Let me show you how easy it is. So very important though, the only thing you have to really worry about is these two clips. When you connect it to your battery, the black one goes to your black and your red one goes to your red, and that's it. Very easy. I'll set up right now. I'll show you how it works. So right now we have this right here. Let me just set this on here and we'll connect the black one to the black terminal right there. And then once I connect the red one, you'll see this thing will turn green and it'll be ready to jump start. So I'm going to move it over here so you can see the light a little bit better. Look at that light right here. It's going to turn green once I connect the red terminal right here. And you see it turns green and that's it. Now I can go in the car and jump start. That's it. That's the power of the AVAPOW 6,000 amp jump starter. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, and there we go. That's how you use the AVAPOW.